Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Nurmira binti Abdul Malik and my matriz number is A20A1991. So today I will present an introduction. Islamic banking and finance has shown tremendous performance in most of the countries that practice it. Contract and facilities that might serve several functions are faced by Islamic banks in Malaysia. It is practiced not only in Malaysia but around the world by countries that have adopted Islamic banking and finance. The ITF sector in Malaysia have not been given sufficient attention as there is a lack of resources in terms of academic research and official report from any conference and forum that discuss ITF. Besides, empirical studies of ITF in Malaysia are scarce, such as on the growth report and especially in noting the real problems faced by Islamic banks in Malaysia. Among the issues that involved in ITF are such no standard guideline, political risk, legal risk, foreign exchange rate, financial crisis and Sharia issue pertaining to the contract used in the services. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Naizati binti Johari. My number is A20A1626. There are 5 issues in this article, namely political risk, legal risk, foreign exchange rate, financial crisis, and Sharia issue. Country or political risk primarily have to do with the country's sovereignty when it comes to import and export activity. Political stability in the nation where the firm operates heavily influence political risk. However, political risk in the term of trend financial does not exclusively depend on a country as it also takes into account global political factors. Next, legal risk. Legal system and law in various nations may not be suited to support the feature of Islamic financial product. Among the most significant obstacles to trend financial activities are legal risk and anti-money laundering (AML) regulation. Fourth, financial crisis. The Malaysian financial system was on soft ground despite that crisis because of the high capitalization level, but the impact was felt most sharply in the sector related to international trend. Dr. Zeti Akhtar Aziz, a former governor of the BNM, emphasized the effect of the financial crisis on Islamic financial in one of her keynote addresses. Last but not least, Sharia issue. The ITF is made possible in large part by the principle underlying all others contracts that are a part of it. This session will focus on the current Sharia concern on ITF that most banks encounter when handling ITF transactions globally. This issue can be divided into many categories, such as the intention letter of credit I issue (LCI) and the legitimacy of the Ba'i al-Da'i contract. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will present the findings in the field of Islamic finance and the banking system. Based on the findings, there are 3 challenges highlighted. The first one is business greediness and the ability to remain robust. This relates to the ability of Islamic banks that provide ITF products and services to remain strong and relevant in the face of current local and global versatile demands. This aspect necessitates the use of an experienced and well-versed practitioner due to the increased scope, for example, in terms of technology. Second, differences in laws, rules and regulation in countries. The issue confronting Malaysian Islamic banks in dealing with the ITF are primarily legal in nature. Because of the ITF is recognized globally, parties involved in trade activities must be aware of all applicable rules and regulation of the countries with which they are dealing and must abide by them. Islamic banks must be more proactive and aggressive in dealing with all of the risks associated with ITF operation, transforming them into gems in shaping the ITF sector so that it can stand on its own rather than acting as a shadow by relying on or replicating conventional trade finance. The last one is political issues. Looking into this, the findings are significant not only in the internal context, as mentioned in most literature, but also in the Malaysian context. In comparison to other sectors, the financial sector will be more vulnerable to political risks that are similar across region. Since trade activities have a significant impact on the economy, maintaining the country's financial stability is crucial since it may affect relations with trading partner. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Musliha binti Nur Azai. My meeting number A20A1961. So today I will explain about the implication. It has implication for both the local society and those from overseas who utilize a dual banking system and seek to develop their Islamic banking industry. This is because despite the fact that the Islamic banking system is less profitable than the conventional financial system. In addition, society will have more trust in this banking system, which will draw people to finance and invest in Islamic banking. In order to optimize profit, risk management also essential for determine and assess the economic application. It can regulate and monitor, particularly where there are several Islamic banks operating in the same region. Conventional bank operating in nations with a majority of Muslim report gains in their cost efficiency. So next, in conclusion, a financial crisis is primarily caused by credit risk, and one is that it has significant economic repercussion mechanism must be developed by policymakers to reduce the risk posed by Islamic bank. When Islamic bank become too big, they need to be overseen and tracked. The hazard associated with the continual development of their Islamic banking sector must be addressed by the nation. So, the existence of Islamic banking has many benefits, especially in terms of low bank risk and good bank efficiency. So, that's all for me. Thank you.